Tsumbay is back with another budget headphone offering, and what you can get for under 30 bucks is a steal. What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and even hit that little bell if you like. Now, the B.A.N.G are a pair of headphones aimed at the bass heads, so keep that in mind. For this price, you don't get any fancy cases or bags. You do get a pretty short USB micro cable and a fairly average aux cord. With the 500 milliamp hour battery, they boast 30 hours of use at medium volume. Design wise, well, this won't win any awards with its plain black plastic exterior, and aside from the red branding near the left cup, there's nothing that would make these stand out. The padding on the top inside the band is the same material as the ear cups. It's soft enough, but nothing exciting, and depending on your ear size, these will either be over ear or on. Surprisingly, the ear cups fold and twist. Usually you only get one or the other, so they would be a great pair to toss in your gym bag and go. Now, when I first put them on, I thought the sound was okay. The mids were present, the highs were fine, but the low end felt a bit hollow. It wasn't bad at all, but it didn't move me in any way. But these are bass boosted headphones, so I hit the button to turn it on and whoa. Honestly, it wasn't the over-the-top head-shattering experience I've gotten from other bass-boosted headphones. This just brought all the low end out in a way that honestly felt like this is how they were naturally meant to sound, like a reverse effect almost. With the bass boost on, the overall sound is rich, full, with just the right punch to enhance genres like hip-hop, pop, and EDM. Even listening to podcasts, the bass boost just rounded out the voices to make them feel present and give a more immersive sound. Overall, you get a balanced sound with a nice punch that you wouldn't expect for the price. Now, these are not audiophile in any way. Playing at loud volumes can be a bit stressful over time. The sweet spot might be around 75% with the bass boost on, and for under 30 bucks, you might want to consider Confession for a heist just this good. Alright folks, it's your homie. Make sure to leave a comment and I'll see you down below. Holla at your boy.